Good morning, guys. Ay. Isa pa. 9:52 a.m. Saturday today. And, syempre, ika-apat na araw ng ating sanlinggong bakasyon. Consistent ang vlogging everyday, char. Hindi, gusto ko lang. Bakit ba? So, kanina, sabi ko kung magluluto na ako ng pagkain, ayaw pa nilang kumain. So, ngayon, gusto na daw nilang kumain. Kaya, mag-ano lang naman ako ng waffle, magtutoast. Kasi may binili kami last time dito ng waffle yung naka-frozen. But, syempre, ayusin ko muna to. Lang nakatambak hugasin si Dion alas 8 nagising kaya siya nang biyaya dito sa baba. I want to go downstairs, mag-aay pa daw. So, after sigurong kumain, magpunta kami sa sa superstore. Superstore kasi wala kaming bigas. Yung sinain ko kagabi, last na yun. So, wala kaming bigas and pupunta kami sa mall, doon na kami magla-lunch. Ano nga ba ang aming, yun, bigas lang. Tapos, bigas. Nag-iisip ako kung ano ang kailangan namin dito. Parang yun na lang bigas siguro. Tapos bibili na lang ako ng roasted chicken, yung barbecue flavor. And then, yun na lang ulam namin. Tapos pag may natira, ko yung tawag doon, yung lalagyan mo ng Mang Tomas. Ito ang papakain ko, and then pear. Nahanap ko yung toaster kung nasaan na. Hindi ko makita. Hindi lang pala nakalagay sa hindi na pala sa taas. So, toast lang natin to. Yung toaster ko, lang to? $10. Kasi, sabi ko yung mura na lang bili namin kasi hindi naman madalas nagto-toast. Hindi naman kami ganun kahilig. Batsuray. Toast natin. Sigalawan na lang sila. Tapos magtutoast ako ng isang tinapay ko. Upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. A foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Toast with yung ginawa kong egg and tuna. Isa lang naman. Shoot. Yeah.
Plants vs. Zombie creating game pea shooter.
This one. Do you want to come with me? Superstore and sa mall?
Me?
Of course.
Well, Kuya, is it coming?
I don't know to, Kuya.
My uncle.
Okay.
Frozen.
So kami ay kakain muna. Nagkape na ako kanina kaya hindi na ako magkakape. Tubig na lang.
Tip me.
Oh, you have to be the
Mga guys,
owner of the land.
10:53.
Land.
Bili lang kami ng bigas at saka ng chicken.
What game?
Yep.
Yes game?
Yes game. What is yes game?
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. Yes, hold on, ever so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day, let's feel and borrow. And that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight.
We go walk to the superstore. Nak, bring yung yung
I'll bring it.
bag.
I've already got it.
Okay, wait for me. Yep.
Where are you going with it?
Medyo windy.
This.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Ito na yung superstore. Bigas lang at saka yung chicken.
Where's the Wendy?
Yep.
Where's the that's the Wendy?
Ay, come here! Saan ka papunta?
Oh.
Oop, 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 oop. Oop, oop, oop. Yep. May bibili ka ba diyan? Nothing. Ano yan? Did you put something?
No, that was him.
Anong bibili natin?
Typical.
Papi ko, may
Here you
papi ko.
go.
I love Coca-Cola. Candy.
Put in the bag. Put in the bag. And ano pa? Wala na.
Mom, put him as soldier.
Soldier. So, ay hindi, ano tayo dito na ng Mang Tomas. Wala kaming Mang Tomas. Wag yan, meron tayo niyan. Dito na lang.
Put it in the bag.
Did you,
You put it in the bag.
you can carry this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Dun, tingin tayo rice. Jasmine. Asan ba yung Jasmine Gold? Jasmine Gold eh. Is it heavy? And then we will go buy some chicken. That's it. And we will go to the mall.
That's it.
Yeah.
Green yata. Green yata.
Tayo sa tindahan sa mall. Mga Pinoy. Cellphone. Ay, ang cute naman ito, black. Ano yan? Ano gagawin? Anong puto pa? This one. What's this?
Mommy, can that be my school? Can that be
Check
my
natin.
water?
Until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way it goes. Until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way it goes. Until we're in the ground. I don't want to do this anymore. No, I just want to say hell no. And do whatever I like. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so. 'Cause I can put up a fight. Let's take a hit and run. Do it all fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hell no. Yeah, we'll be going all night. We'll be going all night.
You want barbecue?
Hot. This is barbecue one.
So, the Laroma with Valentine's thing. Ano yung uwi na?
We'll go.
Sumidip lang tayo ng konti sa mall.
Yeah.
Mas gusto ko talaga yung mag-isa kaysa may mga inakay. Kasi hindi ako makapili. You know, nakatingin ka doon sa mga anak ko. Kung nasaan na. Baka mawala. Uwi na tayo. Magsasaing na ako para makakain na rin sila ng rice. Maya-maya. Yes, and chicken. Binili na ng chicken. Ay! Okay, paper bag. Bahay na to. Ito lang binili namin. Ano tagita mong Tomas? Tapos ito. Yogo ice. Tsaka yung chicken. Ano to? $10 yata. $10. Baka ba yun? Ano? Oh, give me the paper bag. Ay, sabi yan. No, tsaka yung ano, yung bigas, naka-sale siya. $15. 18 yata yun eh. Pero, ano, merong mas malaki, kaya lang hindi namin kayang buhatin. Naka-sale siya.
Mommy, we need batteries. Let's go buy batteries. I'm joking.
Yung chicken, yeah, $10 yung chicken. Yung battery, hindi ganyan yun, anak. Tapos, sa
Mommy, I
mall,
want to drink.
ito,
Mommy, my kid.
pimple patch.
And
Hindi mo madidrink to. You need to put in the freezer first. In the press.
Mommy, take out the box, the plastic.
Saka na.
Take out the plastic. I want to put this in the fridge.
Yes.
So let's go.
Buksan natin para. Ayan, mamaya. Kasi magsasaing pa tayo. Para mamaya baka magutom itong dalawa eh. Rice naman ang kainin nila. Maglimpya-limpya muna ako dito. Kasi hindi ako nag-ayos. Ano namin? Nak, do you want to throw the garbage first? Please and thank you. Maganda ang weather outside. Very nice.
Hi.
Buti tapos na yung road maintenance. Yung pinaka-island kasi ng daan, inaano nila. Tinatanggalan nila kasi sobrang kapal na. Naming bigas, Jasmine Gold. Hindi ko alam yung nakasale na malaki kung 27 lang kasi kung Jasmine Gold ba yun? Meron kasing nakasale. And $15 to. Ay, ay. Gusto kong bumili ng lalagyan ng bigas, pero yung glass. Kasi sabi nila, ay, wait lang pala, magsasaing pala ako. Sabi sa feng shui, sabi kasi sa feng shui, dapat glass yung pinaglalagyan ng bigas, hindi plastic. Hi guys. Bored na naman ako. Bored na naman tayo. Ay! Winter blues. May yung camera. Winter blues itay. Ay, nagsalang ako ng labahin. Ano na, 3:50 na ng hapon. Nagsalang ako ng labahin namin. Damit lang namin ni Eric. Tapos bukas na yung damit ng mga bata. Kakain muna ako kasi nagugutom ako. Kainin ko yung ginawa kong beef something. And meron pa pala kaming sinaing. Ito lang ang aking kakainin and then sasaing ako para sa mga bata. Hindi ko maalala kung ako ay uminom na ng gamot sa sugar. Hindi ko matandaan. Parang dami naman ng kanin ko. Dami yung kanin ko.
What are you doing, Mommy?
Folding laundry.
Okay, have fun doing laundry. And the ice fine. How did you get out of there? How did you get out of there? Hurry! 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 It's getting nighttime! It's getting nighttime! Let's go!
Ay, nagtutupi lang ng damit. Tapos nanonood akong TV. Movie. Sa sa Tubi. Nag-register kasi si Eric sa Tubi. Libre lang daw yun. So, ayan. Pero mga hindi ko alam yung mga movie. Meron din, pero mga luma. Luma siya. Yung pinapanood ko ay Air Force One. Nakaisang movie na ako actually. Luma din yung pinanood ko. Kay Jason Statham.
Why do you look like you're clean?
Nabusog ako dun sa kinain ko. Parang napadami yata ng rice. Parang mamaya hindi na ako kakain. Kain na lang ako ng light. Pero hindi na rice. Hindi ko alam kung nakainom ako ng gamot ko talaga sa
Why are you killing people?
No, it's just a movie.
I'm just asking.
Yeah. Yung gamot ko sa sugar. Pero alam ko yung pills ko ng ko. Pero yung gamot sugar, hindi ko sure. What are you doing?
Hi. I went to my mom's blood. Cover this camera.
Don't cover the camera.
Ah,
Ay na.
I know. Go to sleep.
Huwag kang mag-sleep. Sumasakit yung chan ko. I need to go to the washroom.
You go.
Alis dyan muna. Lagay ko muna to.
Oh, look! Shin Knuckles. Shin Burger. Shin Burger coffee. It's like a Shin Burger. It's like a Shin Burger. It's Shin Knuckles. It's Shin Knuckles!
Do you want to take... Ay, bukas ka na maligo.
Oh,
Okay? What are you doing?
nothing. Hello, cover. Okay, turn off. Turn off. Turn off.
Turn off.
Turn off the camera. Turn off.